What's up everybody, welcome to another honest review video. Today I have this Spigen ArcField Flex wireless charger and I also have a Spigen ArcStation 27-watt charger. Yeah, these two should be used together to get the best performance. Well, before I talk about this Spigen ArcField Flex wireless charger, let me show you something. I have been using a Spigen ArcField wireless charger for the past couple of months. I actually have 3 of these ArcField wireless chargers because I love this Spigen ArcField wireless charger. But when I have noticed that there is an updated version, an advanced edition, a flexible edition, Spigen ArcField Flex wireless charger, I have bought one. And yeah, I have been using this one for the past couple of weeks. And as the name says, this one is a Flex wireless charger. Yeah, what does that flex mean? We will know about that soon. We will talk about that soon. But before I start the video, one request. If you end up liking this video, then please don't forget to click on the like button and please subscribe to this channel. Support honest content. Oh yeah, I have already unboxed it because I've been using this one for the past couple of weeks. But being a tech reviewer, what I always do is whatever I unbox, I record it. So yeah, let's quickly check the unboxing of this Spigen ArcField Flex wireless charger and then we will talk about all the aspects of this product. Well, here is our Spigen ArcField Flex wireless charger. This is a super fast wireless charger for Samsung devices. This one can deliver maximum 15 watt to any Samsung devices, which is Qi compatible and supports fast wireless charging. Okay, the USB-C port is actually at the rear panel and there is a LED status indicator in front. Okay, this one actually requires a power adapter or power charger which supports PD 3.0 25 watt or higher. Yeah, this one doesn't come with a charger included inside the box and that's why I have bought this Spigen 27 watt charger. This ArcStation charger offers 27 watt PD output and 25 watt PPS. PPS stands for Programmable Power Supply Output. Almost all the Samsung devices supports PPS charging protocol. Okay, this Spigen ArcField wireless charger is a flex wireless charger. We can make it lie flat and we can also put it on a vertical standing position. So this is almost like a transformer. It can either go flat or can transform into a standing charging dock. I really like this design. All the cutouts, all the design elements, all the design language, everything are pretty unique. It's totally different than any other wireless charging stands. There are quite a few curves and cutouts which gives it an unique shape and outlook, but more importantly, those curves and cutouts adds convenience. Because when we need to transform it from lying flat to a standing dock, we can use the curves and cutouts to hold it. Also, there is another thing, this one comes with a very good hinge. I really like the hinge mechanism. It's very smooth and swift, easy to use and at the same time very sturdy and rugged. Well, talking about build quality, I'm gonna say the same thing that I have said about other Spigen products. This is a flagship class product which comes with a premium class build quality. Spigen have used top-of-the-line premium materials to manufacture this product. Spigen truly cares about build quality and that's why I always like to use Spigen products. It is recommended that we use this ArcField Flex wireless charger with the ArcStation USB-C PD 27 watt charger because when used together, this ArcField Flex wireless charger will be able to deliver very stable and very high charging speed. And as both of these two are from Spigen, both of these two supports Spigen's proprietary technologies like air boost, quantum boost, intelligent safety, overheat protection, power quality technology, and these two together offers the best protection to our devices. Well, if you don't know about air boost, actually air boost technology automatically detects the optimized charging mode between 5 watt, 7.5 watt, 10 watt and 15 watt depending on our device's power needs or compatibility. Power quality technology checks the current, voltage and amperage and protects the device from overcurrent, overvoltage or from any other accidental damage. I have been using this Spigen ArcField Flex wireless charger with my Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra, Samsung Galaxy Buds 2 Pro, and even with my iPhone 14 Pro Max. Oh yeah, I have also used this one with some other Android devices. First thing first, this one offers the best performance, and as it has this flex mode, this actually adds great convenience to life. Now, the second thing is, I'm super happy to see that this one not only offers fast and steady charging speed to Samsung devices, but this one also offers very good steady charging speed to any devices or gadgets which is Qi compatible. Spigen ArcField Flex wireless charger never gets heated, never throttles, and as it has air boost technology, this one can accelerate and optimize charging speed depending on compatibility. Oh yeah, it's time for verdict. I don't think I have to give any verdict because this Spigen ArcField Flex wireless charger is the best in its category. We can use it lying on any flat surface, we can use it in flat mode, we can also convert it, easily convert it to a desktop charging dock. And what about this Spigen ArcStation 27-watt charger? Okay, I have talked about this product so many times. This is not one of the best. This is actually the best 27-watt GaN charger that I have ever used. Period. That's the end of this video. If you're looking for the best wireless charger, which not only offers the best performance but also brings a lot of convenience to your life, then you should try this Spigen Flex wireless charger. That's my personal opinion. I'm in love with this product and that's why I'm using this one. If you're interested, then yeah, I have left the links of these products in the description box below. Go ahead, check the products. If you have liked this video, then please don't forget to click on the like button and please subscribe to this channel. Support honest content. Better stand tall, ready for a fight, believe me. When they try to change, you can say no, free me.